Do you want to know how you can log into your Lexica AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Lexica AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Web browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Lexica AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official login portal of Lexica. Or else, go ahead and open Lexica and you can go to account. After you go to account, you can see that you can log in to your account by clicking get started. So go ahead and sign in using your Google account, or else go ahead and write down your email address here, press continue, write down your password and then click sign in. This way you can sign into your account, or you can see that it will send you an email. So go ahead and open your Gmail, click on that link and then you can log in using your email account. If you want to log in using your Google account, go ahead and click continue with Google. After you click continue with Google, choose your Google account, click continue and sign in to lexica.art. Now what you need to do is select a plan for yourself and then you're good to go. This way you can log into your Lexica.ai account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.